Hi, and welcome to Indiana Gateway. My name is Teresa Heller. I'm the Community Engagement Specialist here, and we are so happy that you are here with us. So I just want to share a couple of things with you about how this newsletter works and what you can expect. So at Indiana Gateway, we have two different schools. We have Indiana Gateway Digital Academy, which is our typical K through 12 online free education. Then we also have Indiana Gateway Alternative School, and that is our high school program that's designed specifically for students that are credit deficient and need that extra help and that extra encouragement and one-on-one attention to graduate, complete their requirements, and get that much needed high school diploma. If English is not your primary or preferred language, there are several different ways that you can translate this information so that you get the most out of it and it's easy to understand for you. So I'm going to show you just a couple of ways to do that. All of our videos are on YouTube, and so within YouTube, all you have to do is click on the little settings icon underneath the video, and you can click on the closed captioning translate feature, and it will translate the closed captionings into the language of your choice. If you're wanting to translate the written content that is within the newsletter, you can simply do that by going up to the top and clicking on the translate button and choosing the language that you prefer. The next step is just choosing how do you like to get information. Do you like these short little videos to explain to you how to do it? Or would you prefer a written instruction, step-by-step, detailed, lots of information content? So you can just choose which newsletter you would like to follow below, but at any time you can switch back and forth, and you can look at the videos and then you can go to the written instructions as well. Time to make your choice. Which one are you going to choose?